Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. This is problem set 3, and we've been talking about understanding inequalities. You're going to be solving two inequalities now that are multi-step, and it's a challenge for you. So here's the deal. Here's two problems I want you to try, and don't be passive and watch me do it. You, on a piece of paper, go ahead and write it out. Solve it with 3, 4, 5 steps maybe, and then you're going to graph it on the number line. Go ahead. Alright, you can already see the answers to these two problems. And first of all, you notice that this symbol to start with has an equal bar on it, so you know it's got to be a solid dot. It turns out to be a positive 2, and I'll show you where we got that in just a moment. This is also an equal bar here, and so you have a solid dot on a negative 4. But let's go ahead and look at it in several steps. Now, when you see parentheses, you know that's the distributive property. So you're going to have a negative 7 times negative 5n, that'll be 35m. And negative 7 times 6 is negative 42. And then we have this negative 3m in front. Alright, now, for now, what you're going to do is you're going to keep asking yourself, do you change the inequality or not? Remember that the rule is there's only two cases where you have to flip the inequality symbol around, and that's multiplying by a negative or dividing by a negative. And so far we have not done that. Alright, now we're going to combine these like terms here, and that will give me a 32m minus 42 on the right side. And we still have the inequality symbol. Again, it's multiplying or dividing by a negative. Here we've got to add 42 to each side. And that will give us 64 is greater than or equal to 32m. And then in our final step, we are dividing by a positive 32. Now again, if you want to double check on changing the inequality symbol or flipping it around, you ask yourself, is it multiplying or dividing by a negative? It's the negative that counts. Since we are not doing that, it's a positive 32 here, you're going to get 2 is greater than or equal to m. But let's go ahead and flip that around just so that we can think of it the way we normally look at it, variable on the left. And notice now it's m is less than or equal to positive 2. So solid dot on the 2 going to the left. Alright, I hope you did okay. That took a few steps. Number 22 here for this challenge set, again, distributive property. So 56 less than or equal to negative 8 minus 16n. Okay, whoops, sorry, that's an n right there. And notice how it's negative 4 times positive 4, so you got a negative 16 right there. All right, I'm going to add 8 to each side. We want to get that n term by itself. And so I'm going to get 64 less than or equal to negative 16n. We're going to divide by a negative 16 so we can get the n by itself, right? And notice, since it's dividing by a negative, yes, we do flip the sign around. So instead of less than or equal to, we're going to have greater than or equal to. Now again, these problems are sort of written backwards with the variable on the right, and to flip it around to get it variable on the left, we have to flip the inequality symbol just so we have the same relationship. So n is less than or equal to negative 4 is algebraically what the answer is, and graphically solid dot on the negative 4 going to the left. Thanks so much for watching this video. The last video in this series is a self-quiz, including a couple of problems like this that are multi-step. Look for that in my channel, and good luck. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live, online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.